Front end. When repairing a damaged vehicle's front end, the general sequence of removal is as follows. Bonnet removal. Undo the top bolt first, then the bottom bolt. Remember to ensure your hand is on the bottom corner of the bonnet and the weight of the bonnet is resting on your shoulder. Remember to disconnect the washer jets before removal. Put new bonnet onto vehicle. This is to check alignment of hinges. Remove the front bumper bar. Remove headlights. When removing a front bumper bar from a vehicle, you may need to remove headlight protectors, headlights, grille panels, underguard skirts, and underbonnet skirts first. Remove guard liner clips before removing guard. Remove front guards. Remove batteries, radiator, air conditioning condenser, earth straps. Remove radiator support panel. Remove all panels prior to removing batteries, radiator, air conditioning condenser, earth straps, and any other components that may be damaged. When removing radiator and air conditioner's core, place a drip tray under the vehicle to catch the coolant. Release hoses and bolts holding the radiator in and lift the radiator out. Degas air conditioning using a licensed tradesman. Disconnect hoses and remove. If you are unsure how to remove any component of the vehicle, contact the manufacturer for information.